Welcome to another Brain in Hand tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at the timeline, how it works, and possible ways you might like to use it. You can view your timeline by clicking on the Timeline button in the drop-down menu on the left-hand corner of your website. If you haven't used your Brain in Hand app yet, your timeline's going to be empty. But if you'd like to have a go at pressing on one of the traffic lights within the app, you can see how it will look after we refresh the timeline. If you have already added things into your Brain in Hand account, such as diary events, unplanned events, problems and solutions, simply press on these within the app and they'll also be recorded and displayed on your timeline. Your timeline will record your traffic light presses throughout the day, as well as any solutions you've used to help get your day back on track. If you've set a reminder for a task, you can mark it as complete within the app, and your timeline will record that you've done it. If you've been unable to get around to one of your tasks for that day, your timeline will record it as incomplete. You can add comments to any of these items on your timeline by clicking in the Add Comment box below the event. For example, if you found a solution particularly helpful or unhelpful, you might want to leave a comment saying why. Or if you've been feeling particularly good, or maybe you're not having a great day, you might want to leave a comment about it. Your supporter and traffic light responder can also leave comments next to items in your timeline, perhaps to say what they've noticed, or with ways that you've worked together to help you reach your goals. As your timeline builds, you can then use it to look back at what solutions have been most helpful to you, when and why you might have had periods of high or low anxiety, and how you might want to update your account for use in the future. This can help you to adapt your Brain in Hand to grow with you as you become more independent.